here we go. We're going to walk down to my spot where I'm going to sit and bird hunt. Walking through our property, going to look for a bird and see what happens. So yeah, I'm using this pellet gun, and I don't really care if this channel blows up or not. Yeah, so here we go. So right now, I'm still walking. I just heard a squirrel, and I've been hearing a lot of birds. I'm coming to my spot, and just going to sit and wait and see if I can see any birds. And if there's nothing, and I just sit here and wait for a while, and nothing shows up, then I'll move spots. But I hear a squirrel and it's dropping pine cones on me. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll update you.